everybody, Mark from Mark's Home Hobbies here. A little update about the WLToys K969 steering system. Yeah, I had designed this part right here earlier to try to set up a steering system here. It's a grommet out of one of those servo mounting kits that you used to get. Yeah, so that was just the early version of the part that I was playing around with, and after doing a little bit more searching online, I came up with a little bit different design there. It actually is kind of a circular system there. You can push it back that way and see. You can see that it goes this way and it goes that way very easily. Now on that one I'm trying to do it one-handed anyways, yeah. And with a little bit of massaging of those ball ends, and this is a 3 by 2.5 by 7 bearing out of off the pinion gear. Surprisingly enough, in the four-wheel drive setup, you know, the pinion gear that's back here. Now this is the bearing that rides in the transmission right here, and yeah, so it swivels on that, and it's a 3mm bolt sticking through there. I gotta still get a countersunk bolt for it yet in a hardware store, but I just have a bolt on there right now holding it for testing. Yeah, so it seems to have a much better steering angle now. I don't know about how much better, but slightly better anyways, improved without much work. And I've kind of fashioned up some tie rods out of leftover WLToys rod ends there, and some of those little helicopter Trex 250 ball ends. Yeah, use some of those, and yeah, so I don't know how it's going to work yet. I still haven't mounted the servo yet. Servo's going to go over here. I think I'll bring the servo as far forward as I can without interfering with the wheel or the steering arm right here. But you can see when it's lined up, it makes a nice circular pattern there. The tie rod arms and the round shape of the rack there forms a nice circular. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about, but right across here it's all circular. So yeah, let's just hope it works good. Wasn't that hard to do, so anyways, maybe it'll make this rear wheel drive 969 WLToys racing car better. Next step is the motor speed control. Probably go brushless on that. So anyways, that's about it for this one. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever you want to do. Try to help me out here. I don't even know if anybody's watching anymore, so anyways, if you leave a comment, if you are watching, if you think it's cool, I'd be happy with that. Okay, have a good one. This is Mark, Mark's Home Hobby, saying see you in the next one.